Today in this video, I will share you how you can burn your belly fat over any part of your body fats. Here I want to share you the amazing recipe that can really help you to lose your weight and fat as well. Let's get started. How to lose your weight by drinking a coffee. Coffee is really help you to burn your fat and also improve your metabolism system, and it magically burn your belly fat specially and also lose your weight, and it consists also antioxidant vitamin B, and it give you a lot of benefits if you use it in a proper way. So now I want to tell you that how to prepare a coffee and how to drink and which time is better to drink the coffee. The first thing is that you can drink the coffee at morning time at evening time. These two time is best for you to drink the coffee. Now I want to share the method how you can prepare coffee. First of all, you place it on gas, then add it 2 cups of water, then add 2 pieces of cadmium, and as well add 2 loaves, and then add 6 grains of peppercorn, and as well add 2 sticky of cinnamon, and then add coffee powder according to your taste. After that, mix it well until the coffee is boiled, and you will not stop, and you will remain it for boiling until the 2 cup volume is reduced to 1 cup. When 1 cup is remain, then you will stop the boiling and your coffee is ready to drink. You should drink it morning time and at evening time. I hope this coffee will lose your weight immediately. You should try it and lose your belly fat. I hope you like and appreciate this information. Please subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter as well. Thank you for watching.